Have you ever wondered if the key to financial abundance could be hidden in your daily routines? Inspired by Buddhist teachings, this video explores a transformative ritual to attract wealth and prosperity by harmonizing your home's energy. By using simple ingredients like bay leaves, lemon, cinnamon, and coarse salt, you can align your surroundings with powerful vibrations of success. But remember, this practice is not magic, it's a conscious alignment of your intention, actions, and environment. Let's dive deeper into this journey of mindfulness, energy, and prosperity. The spiritual connection between environment and prosperity. Buddhism teaches that our external reality mirrors our inner state. A cluttered home often reflects and perpetuates mental and emotional disarray, blocking the natural flow of opportunities and wealth. Cleaning is more than a physical act, it's an energetic reset that signals readiness to receive abundance. Key areas like entrances, kitchens, and bathrooms hold significant energetic influence. Neglecting these spaces can create invisible barriers to prosperity. Imagine walking into a clean, organized home. The energy feels light, inviting, and refreshing. This is no coincidence when your environment radiates positivity. It becomes a magnet for good fortune. Entrances act as gateways for opportunities, kitchens symbolize nourishment and abundance, and bathrooms can either drain energy or serve as points of renewal. Ignoring these spaces energetically clogs your path to prosperity, but mindfully tending to them clears the way for success. Mindful cleaning, where each movement is paired with intention, is central to this ritual. By consciously focusing on prosperity, you align your actions with your goals, sending a powerful message to the universe. Spiritual masters emphasize consistency in such practices to build a sustained energetic openness to opportunities. For example, in Buddhist practices, the act of cleaning is often paired with reciting mantras or setting affirmations. These actions transform mundane chores into sacred rituals. Imagine wiping down your kitchen counter while silently affirming, "Abundance flows to me effortlessly." This practice not only purifies your space but also elevates your mental state, aligning it with your desires. Ingredients for prosperity, symbolism and function. 1. Bay leaves. Bay leaves symbolize achievement and success, amplifying positive intentions. They repel negative energy, creating a magnet for financial opportunities. By applying bay leaf-infused liquid, you seal your home against scarcity and invite abundance. Ancient cultures revered bay leaves for their spiritual power. In Greece, victors were crowned with bay leaf wreaths to signify triumph and divine favor. Similarly, the Romans believed bay leaves offered protection against misfortune and evil spirits, often burning them in homes to invoke prosperity. Incorporating bay leaves into your cleaning ritual channels this victorious and protective energy, turning your space into a sanctuary of success. In Hindu traditions, bay leaves are linked to the goddess Lakshmi, symbolizing wealth and abundance. By placing bay leaves near entryways or burning them during prayer rituals, households sought blessings for financial growth and stability. 2. Lemon. Lemon's purifying energy dissolves blockages, paving the way for new financial possibilities. Its fresh scent raises vibrational frequencies, aligning you with clarity and focus. In Feng Shui, lemon is renowned for its ability to dispel stagnant energy. Ancient Chinese households often used lemon peels in cleaning solutions to refresh and uplift their living spaces. This practice was believed to clear away lingering negativity and make room for prosperity to flow. In the Middle Ages, lemon was valued not only for its health benefits but also as a spiritual purifier. Travelers carried lemon-infused water to cleanse their hands and refresh their spirits, believing it protected against misfortune. When you squeeze lemon juice into your cleaning solution today, you tap into this legacy of renewal and protection, empowering your home with fresh energy. 3. Cinnamon. Cinnamon's magnetic energy attracts wealth while ensuring its continuous flow. Its protective properties create a safe haven for prosperity. Cinnamon has been prized since ancient Egypt, where it was considered more valuable than gold. Used in temple offerings and mummification rituals, cinnamon was associated with divine favor and abundance. Its warm, inviting aroma was thought to summon positive energy and banish negativity. In Middle Eastern traditions, cinnamon was a staple in trade and wealth building. Merchants burned cinnamon to bless their goods and ensure successful ventures. This history of wealth attraction makes cinnamon an ideal ingredient for modern prosperity rituals, igniting confidence and determination as you manifest your financial goals. 4. Coarse salt. A potent purifier, salt absorbs negative vibrations and breaks cycles of financial difficulty. Sweeping salt outside symbolizes the release of old patterns, making way for a new financial reality. Across cultures, salt has been revered as a sacred substance. In Japanese Shinto rituals, salt is scattered to purify spaces and ward off evil spirits. Similarly, in European folklore, sprinkling salt at doorways was a common practice to protect against misfortune and invite blessings. In African traditions, salt played a crucial role in ceremonies aimed at breaking generational curses and fostering abundance. These practices highlight salt's universal symbolism as a cleanser and protector. By incorporating coarse salt into your cleaning ritual, you align with this age-old wisdom, fortifying your home's energetic shield. Step-by-step guide, performing the ritual. Step 1. Prepare the liquid. Boil water with bay leaves, visualizing financial abundance. Picture the steam rising as a flow of positive energy filling your home. Add lemon juice, symbolizing the dissolution of financial worries. With every drop, imagine your worries melting away. Stir in coarse salt, affirming the end of scarcity. Feel the power of transformation as the salt dissolves. Finish with cinnamon to boost wealth attraction. The aroma should ignite your determination and focus on your goals. As the aroma of bay leaves and cinnamon fills the air, let it remind you of your goals. This step transforms the liquid into an elixir of prosperity, carrying your intentions through every corner of your home. Step 2. Clean strategic areas. Start at the main entrance, visualize prosperity crossing the threshold as you clean the door, knobs, and frame. Focus on high-activity areas, pay attention to the kitchen and living room. Imagine a continuous flow of wealth as you clean countertops, furniture, and other surfaces. Balance bathrooms. Bathrooms are energy-draining areas. Clean sinks, mirrors, and drains while visualizing negativity being washed away. Pay attention to details often overlooked, like doorknobs and light switches. These small areas accumulate energetic residue. By cleansing them, you ensure every part of your space vibrates with positivity. Step 3. Seal the ritual. Pour leftover liquid. Pour the remaining mixture at the entrance as a welcoming gesture for new beginnings. Play prosperity mantras. Use sound frequencies to enhance the ritual's effects and create a peaceful atmosphere. Light incense. Choose scents like cinnamon or sandalwood. Express gratitude for the blessings already on their way. The scent of incense, combined with soft background music, creates an atmosphere of peace and anticipation. As you finish the ritual, feel a renewed sense of empowerment, knowing that the path to abundance is now clear. Real-life examples and stories. Consider a story of an entrepreneur who, feeling financially stagnant, performed a similar ritual. Within days, unexpected opportunities emerged, a surprise investment, a new client, and even a chance meeting with a mentor. These events weren't coincidences but results of aligned energy and deliberate action. Similarly, a family struggling with mounting debts began practicing mindful cleaning rituals weekly. Over time, they noticed improvements not just in finances but also in relationships and overall harmony within the household. These examples underscore how aligning intention with action can lead to tangible transformations. Imagine another scenario. A student preparing for a crucial scholarship application used this ritual to create an optimal study environment. The result? A scholarship offer beyond their expectations. These stories demonstrate the transformative power of blending spiritual practices with practical actions. The role of action and gratitude. While this ritual clears energetic blockages, true prosperity requires action. Take concrete steps like organizing finances, seeking opportunities, and pursuing long-term goals. Align these efforts with gratitude, a powerful force that reinforces abundance. Recognizing small wins strengthens your connection to prosperity and keeps its flow active. For instance, after completing the ritual, dedicate time to setting clear financial goals. Write them down and revisit them daily. Combine this practice with gratitude journaling, where you note even the smallest financial blessings, like finding unexpected savings or receiving a kind gesture. This habit fosters a mindset of abundance and amplifies the effects of the ritual. By integrating these practices into your life, you create a self-reinforcing cycle of growth. Each step forward becomes a testament to your ability to harmonize inner and outer worlds, paving the way for lasting prosperity. Prosperity isn't a one-time achievement but a continuous flow. By maintaining a harmonious environment and cultivating habits aligned with abundance, you build a sustainable foundation for growth. Reflect on your financial goals, adjust your strategies, and stay receptive to opportunities. Remember, the ritual is a catalyst. It's your commitment to action and mindfulness that transforms potential into reality. If this resonates with you, take a moment to like, subscribe, and share this video. Comment below with affirmations like, "I am open to receiving all the prosperity the universe has for me." Let's build a community where wisdom and mindfulness lead to lasting abundance. Together, we can unlock the potential within and around us. See you in the next video.